Hi everyone, check out the Tory Burch TY7197U194487 Cateye sunglasses designed for women with oval and triangle faces. These stylish sunglasses feature a white acetate frame paired with dark gray bio-polyamide lenses that provide Category 3 UV protection. The lenses offer excellent clarity and enhanced comfort, perfect for bright sunlight and outdoor activities. With a lens width of 53 mm, bridge width of 16 mm, and arm length of 140 mm, they ensure a comfortable and secure fit. The full-rim acetate frame combines durability with a modern look for everyday wear. This bundle includes a care kit with lens cleaner, screwdriver keychain, mirror, microfiber cloth, and a premium Tory Burch case and microbag. Plus, the sunglasses come with a 2-year warranty against manufacturing defects for peace of mind. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details on a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.